Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying your online classes. Today I am going to explain you a poem named Growing. It is written by Tony Mitton. British children's book author Tony Mitton is known for his creative, energetic and rhythmic texts for the small children. In this poem, he tries to develop a deeper sense of understanding for our parents. At first, we will see the literal meaning of this poem. Today, you may be small, but one day you will be tall, like me, maybe taller. You won't fit into your bed, your head won't fit on your head. In these lines, a parent says to his child that today, though he is small, but one day he will become tall, even taller than him. He will become so tall that his bed will be short for him, as he will not fit into his bed. His hat will not fit on his head, as his head will grow bigger in size. Your feet will fill up the floor. You will have to bend down to come through the door. You will be able to reach on the highest shelf, and I can't do that now myself. The parent further tells the child that today his feet are small and tiny, but when he will grow up, his feet will also grow big in size, so that when he'll step on the ground, he will cover longer area of the floor. Then he will have to bend down to come through the door, as his own height will be greater than the height of the door. The parent also tells him that he will be able to reach the highest shelf, where even his mother or father cannot reach. Out in the country, the tallest trees will scratch your ankles and tickle your knees. Up in the clouds, yes, way up there, the eagles will nest in your craggy hair. But they'd better soon find a safer place, because soon your head will be up in space. Then the parent says that in the countryside there are very tall trees. Even the tallest trees among them will only scratch your ankles and tickle your knees, as you will be far taller than them. Then the parent again lovingly uses exaggeration and says that he will be so tall that his head will reach the cloud. Then the eagles will make their nest in his craggy hair and begin to live on his head. But soon they will have to leave his head, as he will keep growing and even begin to reach the space. So I hope you won't be too proud to bend down and say hello to your old hometown. And I hope it won't drive you utterly mad to visit your tiny mom and dad. Then the parent says that when he will reach that height, he should not be proud, but remember his small old hometown and its people. And he says that when he becomes extremely tall, he should not forget his mom and dad, who will be very tiny as compared to his own height. Now we will understand the symbolic meaning of this poem. Here the word tall symbolizes success. In this way, the poet describes that everyone grows in wisdom and parents always want their children to grow to new heights of success. However, at the same time, one must never forget parents and the sacrifices that they have made to raise their children. The poet also wants to say that children should not fret about being young. They should continue to be loving and caring even when they grow up and become young. They should be humble even after reaching great heights. Students, always give respect to your parents. Don't forget, they always work hard to create your position in society and try to keep you in a positive atmosphere. Thank you.